Good morning, everybody. Little video introduction to your week this week. Um, this week, we are going to be focusing primarily on getting you prepared for the AP test. Oh, my hat for the week, I didn't show you. This is a hat that my daughter got last year when we went on a canoe trip to Sylvania Wilderness. So this is my hat for the week. Um, so uh, this week is about getting you prepared for the AP test. I know not all of you are taking the AP test, and for those of you that are not taking it, you're still going to be completing the quizzes, and I'm going to be using those as sort of an evaluation of where you're at over the course of the year. The way that these are going to be assessed, they're not going to be assessed on your total points that you earn, right? But I am going to look at uh, your reflection, which you're going to be doing next week. I'm going to be looking at your attempts so that you have sort of authentic attempts to describe the information in these FRQ questions. And then the third component is going to be a meeting with me next week to talk about the quizzes and things like that. So let's go over what you have to do. You're going to start with a little reflection activity called Rosebud and Thorn. This is something my family does at the dinner table most evenings or many evenings. And you're going to begin with that. And then there are a series of quizzes. The first quiz needs to be completed by tonight at 11:59. It's open notes. You can use any materials you want. It's much like the AP test, except it's delivered through Schoology. And then if you'd like to join me tomorrow at 10 a.m., I'm going to have a review of quiz number 1 where I'm going to go over the scoring guide. And then I'll be posting the scoring guide and my review video to the course, and you can come and look at that either on this document or I'll have another posting in Schoology. Repeat that again for Thursday, so you have a second quiz due on Thursday with a review of the questions on Friday. And then on Friday, I'll be posting next week's work, and I'd like you to go and look at that. There's going to be some things you might want to jump in and sign up for right away. There's going to be another posting for um, a one more collaborative notes um, edition. There's going to be some information about there'll be some other quizzes that I'll be posting. There will be a video sign up sheet to meet with me next week to talk about your progress and where you're at. And then there's going to be a lecture next week where I will take you through how to actually set up the AP test and run it. Um, and we'll go through that a little bit more. So those are your assignments for the week. And if you have questions, please join me during my office hours between 11 and 1. I've also put a sign up sheet if you'd like to meet with me one-on-one outside of those hours, either to go over some of the quiz questions or some of the other practice material that you've been working on. All right, let me know.